This portable espresso maker isn't actually portable. Here is why. The Minipresso GR2 is famous for its portability. Yes, the device itself is very compact and light. This makes it easy to pack for any adventure. But its reputation for portability has a catch. The GR2 needs externally boiled water to work. This means your portable setup requires extra gear. You have to carry a stove, fuel, and a pot. And that's why the self-heating machine is the true winner. It combines the brewer and the heater into one unit. It completely eliminates all that extra gear. Just add cool water, press a button, and you get a perfect espresso anywhere.